So we ended up getting these white birch ceramic logs off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link to these along with some of the details down in the video description so you can check them out. But honestly, they were a lot nicer than I expected. They were also a lot bigger than I expected too. Once we spent a little time getting them all set up though, they ended up fitting perfectly. I think they fill the space nicely and they don't look too crowded or fake, which is something else I was also worried about. And when we lit them up for the first time, there were no weird smells or anything like that, which was nice. Now, the big thing I was nervous about was soot, because I've seen other ceramic logs turn black after a few uses, but these ones haven't done that at all. Then this birch color made a bigger difference than I expected it to. Our fireplace used to feel kind of like dark and heavy, but now it just feels brighter and more modern. And it's still cozy, it's just not so gloomy. Oh, and then there aren't any layout instructions, which I think would have been helpful. So you just kind of have to play around with it for a while until it looks just right. We also added some black fiberglass at the bottom, and honestly, I think that combo looks really awesome. The contrast between the white logs and the dark glass makes it look pretty nice. So yeah, nothing fancy. This project just turned out really nice, so I thought I'd share and maybe give you a few ideas for your own space.